I read all of your requests on my Instagram post that I made asking for video requests, and so many of you guys requested for hauls and more fashion videos. So don't worry, this month is all about that. So starting off, we have the winter sale haul. Now the sale is going on, which means really good deals, and I went shopping a few times in the last few weeks, and I'm going to show you everything that I got. We have Zara, we have Shein.com and a bunch of random things. So let's begin. Before that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, be one of my bell buddies, and give it a thumbs up, and let's get started. So first up, we have something from Shein.com. It's the sweater I'm wearing right now. I think it's my favorite thing in this entire haul. Super lightweight, and I love that it's cropped from the front, so it's longer from the back, and I feel like it looks really nice with high-waisted jeans, and also because it's white, I really like it. So I actually got a lot of basics this time. So this is number one. It's a plain white t-shirt, and I got another one of those in black. They came together, and I think this is like so necessary, a well-fitted black and white t-shirt. I feel like something like this is so essential for winters when you're going to be layering up. So the white one pretty much looks the same, except that it's a little transparent. So I need to figure out what to wear inside so it doesn't look transparent. Next up, we have, it's like a ribbed bodycon dress. Let me put it on and show you. Okay, so I'm so happy with this. This is the first time I'm trying it on actually, and I'm pretty surprised with how this looks. I'm very happy with this purchase, and I think it'll be nice for winters because it has this high neck and with a cardigan, tights and boots. I think it'll look pretty cool. Two more things from Shein.com. So again, basics guys, I'm becoming basic. This is a really cute like crop top ribbed sweater kind of thing. I really like the fact that it's frayed from the edges and the neck. I think also from here, it gives it a really different look. And I got this infinity scarf from H&M, which I think looks great with this sweater. Check it out. It isn't like one of those big ones, it's like a small one that fits around your neck. The pink one also is a nice like bubblegum color. Little brighter than I thought it actually would be, but I think I still like it. If I pair it with something cream colored, it'll look nice. Next up, we have this super cute cat print sweatshirt. I actually wanted to take it from my cat obsessed friend Tanisha, but I decided to keep it for myself because it's really that nice. Next up, because I have my clothes lying around all over my room, we have another basic turtleneck black sweater. Like I said countless times in this video, a turtleneck basics, you have to have these during winter because there's so many ways you can wear something like this. I think just like this as well, with big earrings, red lipstick, it looks pretty smart too. But with a cardigan or with like a cut sleeve sweater, you need something like this. And I'm one of those girls who just keeps borrowing, actually stealing is the right word, from my mom's cupboard. So I finally have one of my own, which I know my mom's gonna steal from me soon. Next up, we have a nice little bralette. I feel like one of those saleswomen on Teleshop. Hello, bra kharido, but no, I'm not being creepy. So pretty happy with this one, fits well. And I'm not gonna try it on guys, stop being a creep, okay? Moving on to Zara. So I'm not gonna lie, I went there yesterday to check out the sale and it sucked. It was not good, I mean it was quite boring. My mom went a week back, so whatever I liked from her haul, I'm pretty much stealing it from her cupboard. Give me a thumbs up and a comment if you see your mom's clothes too. First thing that she got, which is mine, is this really nice white sweater. This is honestly the softest sweater I have ever worn, and I really like the little fuzzy thing on the side. Mom, good choice. I like it. I approve. I think with Zara, like the quality is really good, but the only thing was when I went for the sale shopping this time, people were going nuts and there was nothing left. But I got this belt from Zara in Switzerland a while back, which I didn't like use or show on my channel, so I thought I'll include it here. It's a double buckle belt. I don't know if I'm wearing it correctly. My friend Khyati told me I look like Nagin when I wear this dress, but I don't look like Nagin. Please tell me that I don't look like Nagin. Okay, I know I look crazy, especially in this setup with this like full-on winter look. Actually, this skirt is something that my mom got, saying that she got it for both of us. This is what my mom says when she's like guilty of buying something. She told me that I should try this on and I was skeptical. Yeah, it's not my style, I don't think I like it. But now that I have, I think it's cool. What do you guys think? It's really different. different for me. I'm confused myself whether I like it or not. It has a really nice like wintry sort of thick material, so it's pretty cool. And I paired it with the same basic t-shirt again, and this fur jacket that I've shown, faux fur jacket, it's faux fur. Okay, the last piece of clothing in this haul are these pair of pants. Now, if you guys know anything about the kind of style that I like, this is it. These kind of patterns, tassels, really comfortable things. Also started wearing a lot of comfortable things. If you guys have seen my Instagram, you would know that. It's not that hard to look good while being extremely comfortable. Okay, next up we have accessories. I'm most excited about the accessories in this entire video. So hoops and dainty necklaces have been my favorite this past 3-4 months. As you can see, these small hoops that I got from H&M, I've been wearing them non-stop. And with these, the big ones also came together in a packet. Oh, the layered necklace. This is also from H&M. Komal Pandey actually gifted this one to me for my birthday. And she gave me a bunch of them, which is quite nice of her. She got me this layered necklace, the silver one, another silver one. I love all of them. Next up, we have these two things my mommy got me for my birthday. They're extremely Dilli heart looking, very boho kind of jewelry. A bracelet with the matching necklace. I really like stuff like this. The last thing in the haul is this gorgeous effing necklace or collar, whatever it is. It's from a designer in Bangalore. So pretty, right? I still have to figure out how exactly I'm gonna wear this, but I really like it. That's it for today's video, but don't go yet because I have bloopers.
Okay.
White one pretty much looks the same. Yeah. Didi kitchen ka darwaza please band kar do. And as you guys on, what's the day today? Is this gonna go on a Friday? Yeah, I'm randomly wearing the coolest jacket I own with the YouTube logo. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and if you want me to do more fashion videos or anything of this sort, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next Monday or Friday. Bye!